somebody Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Spanish Town is getting spooky. The place is tense again. What's going on? Did this video drop, you'd probably hear say about 5 murders took place within about 24 hours. Some of the murders have far-reaching implications. Klansman and one other are on a collision course. Tickman and Tesha is on a collision course. Today I'm going to tell you about not just wormy again, but even why Klansman were so willing to play a role in the Cherry Tree Lane massacre. Tesha Miller is trying to retake Spanish Town. Tesha Miller is trying to re-establish himself as one Don. He wants to go back to the old days. However, the landscape has drastically changed. For a start, the cut and clear divide between one other and Klansman was no longer there. You had some factions of Klansman with a par with factions of one other, even carry out joint criminal activities. That's not how Tesha like it. But Tesha, as you would recall, Theme faction was down for a very long time. But right now him smell opportunity. You see, how this work out in Tesha's favor is right now he's the safest Don. Because him there prison. But Tesha have something where he's been missing out on for years. New funding, new strengthening. If this war kick off in a Spanish Town, understand it's all by design. Klansman and one other are on a collision course. Man them want to carry it back to the old days, the one Don days. Now, how Tesha re-strengthen? How Tesha get so bold all of a sudden for them want to take over back the thing? Want to run Spanish Town? At first it start off by sending word to man. Move from right here, so this is my place. Don't come back here, so. But then, man say they not take no talk. So that can't end well. It's not like they're going to have a boxing match and whoever wins get Spanish Town. It's going to be a shooting match. It's going to be a drive-by. It's going to be a walk-by, ride-by type of match. It's going to be a bus stop, hot type of match. It's going to be picnic and go school type of match. Tesha is feeling himself right now because one of the main sponsor them switch back to Theme side. They started from their prison, but now in their road can really get to quote unquote work. I'm talking about Vybz Barabbas, Vybz Diddy. He might charge up Tesha Miller right now. Because all Tesha Miller needed was somebody who was willing to say, yo, here what? See some money there for some new gun. Remember, termite them they take over enough place. Enough of the little area them with Tesha them they like extort and I collect money over here, so and I collect this and I collect that. Enough of them they did gone. Severely weakening Tesha Miller. Plus, no 587 them dead off. And then you have a whole different set who get arrested for an anti-gang with you. So Tesha Miller's brand did severely weakened. Enough you never even want to hear nothing about Tesha because they must say all washed up than that. Then get back a strength because your favorite artist through him support behind him. And the same way, the PNP will tell you say them want Barabbas support because it draw in people are the same way Tesha Miller, we tell her the same thing. Cause when the youths them see Barabbas, I show him support behind Tesha. Oh, I just say thing there. May I go play a video. This is a recent video of Vybz Diddy, Vybz Barabbas, declaring one done. Tesha Miller, him never hide and say this. Nothing no get leaked. Nobody no record him. He said this openly. Some of you might have seen the video, but if not, me I go play it again. Before we play the video, link your favorite opposition leader, Marky Saxon. Link the top brass them in the PNP who brought Barabbas on them stage. Them decide there, you call them. Let's watch this video together.
Big up the labor right thugs them. Yeah. Big up the PNP thugs them. And the politics here can't talk badness. One done. Tesha Miller. Come back now. Yeah, hear me? Hold on, I want to give us some energy to the ladies. Sorry there.
You can't make this up. Barabbas, the man who the PNP brought out on them official platform, and tell about, yeah, but you know, that's the past, and I'm gonna make it clear. Tesha Miller, one done. He has always aided and abetted the gangs. Not just with his music, but in a real life with him money and him support and him connections. The same politician, this is why Iron Man is a laughing stock. Me tell you say it's a national circus. The same politician who stand up in front of you and tell you say them are going to fight crime are using the man who declared Tesha Miller as one done as the face of them politics. Marky Saxon and the PNP would be shamed and have to answer serious question if they live in a serious country, but they don't. So the Jamaican people will not ask, guy, oh you I tell man boy you go fight crime, or you go do this, you go do that. And the face of your party right now is the man who just declared publicly that Tesha Miller is one done. Fight which crime? Nobody never record Barabbas in a secret conversation. C4 never record him on a phone call. Barabbas take the mic and tell him exactly what he stands for. He talks like this because he knows he has political backing. That's how criminality work in Iron. When you know you have certain backing, you say and do anything. This is the man who just come from prison now and people talk about, you go on like say, yo, that was the past. That was the past. As soon as he's released, him do what he has always done. Fund the winning side. Whichever done have the upper hand, that's how him gone. Tesha Miller know Barabbas is a snake. Tesha Miller knows say Barabbas already switched on him when black man had the upper hand. But badness is fickle. You see a man them when you see a war today, start link tomorrow, and then start war the day after. Tesha Miller, as much as him know Barabbas is a snake, he wants to run the thing again. And in order to do that, he needs a certain amount of support, both financially and politically, and Barabbas offers that. So Tesha, I'll go work with it, because it's not like him retire and say, well, me not business board running the place no more, so whatever. Him want be done same way. And Barabbas is trying to re-establish him to the old days, when there was no Tesha versus Black Man. The same man that was on the political stage with the political party who say them want to go fight crime. This is who they were up there with. You can't make this up. I'm telling you already, so they're doing everything they can. They might try to find every loophole and every technicality to get Tesha out of prison. All by design. The same politicians who tell us they're going to fight crime are using the man who declare Tesha as one down as the face of them politics. This can only work in a society of brain dead sheep, which is Iron Man, which is why it will work. I must say anywhere else, leaders would have answer questions. Guy, you say I go do this and do that and crime and this and crime that, and that's your guy who you threw out on the national stage, opened up your platform to. If this war kick off fully, Tickman and Tesha them, clans on one another, understand it's going to get real ugly. Real ugly. Now when Remy dead, me tell you, say, him play a role in the worst mass shooting in Jamaican history. Cherry Tree Lane. Me tell you, say, Klansman play a role in it. But Cherry Tree Lane is quote-unquote Black Azan place. And Black Azan and Barabbas link. So why would Tesha Miller's faction play a role in the Cherry Tree Lane massacre when one of the main people who are fund Tesha Miller link with the man who quote-unquote run Cherry Tree Lane? I remember doing the video upon him a while back, showing Barabbas and Azan, best of homies. Barabbas and Azan now link again. Them actually fall out. Them fall out over gun dispute. Money send cross, forget a certain amount of gun. When man look gun no reach a gun for reach. Man and man fall out. So Black Azan like no for the quote unquote than them. When them and Barabbas tend to fall out, them keeper forget say money make you buy enough gun and money make you buy enough shot. And money make you can get people who, even if you can't do something, them will do it on your side, i.e. Azan, like Tesha Miller. If Barabbas and Azan never fall out, Klansman wouldn't take part in that killing. Now, just to be clear, it wasn't Barabbas who ordered that killing. The same story one here before, with Tuffy and them and how the whole thing go down. That's what caused that mass shooting in Cherry Tree Lane. But the man them recruit outside 87s to do it. And the outside 87s them come from the faction or Klansman that is currently aligned to Barabbas, who are war with Black Azan. Let me say that one more time. When it was time to outsource the gunman them, I tell them to say, or even C4 tell them to say, the Clarendon man them have a link with Tesha. When it was time for them group up and carry out the attack and use somebody from outside Clarendon for it, them use Tesha Miller's faction, which is how Burmy them end up being involved. But that could not happen, as in that faction of Klansman wouldn't take part in it if Barabbas and Azan still did a link. Them would have to go use somebody else. But Barabbas and Azan have them own disputes. Therefore, there was an incentive for Klansman take part in it. Azan hold on upon the man named gun. Barabbas buy enough gun. The man at Gregory Park and buy enough gun the Klansman. This is how him have talk amongst them. This is how anybody can get talk in one place. This is why as soon as enough people are foreign, the first thing you do is send down 1, 4 or 5 gun in a place, and then all of a sudden, them have talk amongst people. So if you're wondering how Black Azan place get attacked by a faction of Klansmen that link with somebody who link with Black Azan, Barabbas and Azan fall out. Right now, Azan in a very sticky situation because he might get attacked from all sides. Well, let me not say he might get attacked because him there prison nice and safe. The people them in his community, where them say him run, are suffer the attacks them on his behalf. So it was easy for them and they were very willing to take part in the attack on Cherry Tree Lane because Azan is now an enemy of Barabbas and by extension an enemy of Tesha. Do you see how this is all connected? Now I know say Sheep Nation aka Sloth Nation cause them slow are busy mesmerizing all the excitement surrounding Barabbas. But let me tell you this, people of Jamaica. Barabbas come back from prison playing the same games him used to play before him go. No for no one laugh, no one goes ball later because the DJ now learn. When you see Barabbas talk about one Dan and Tesha Miller But they tell me already, sir, whole heap of man want Barabbas get Lego back on the road. Whole heap of man is not cause they miss him. The talk in the street already is that Barabbas now learn. And that's on top of him do from when him in a prison. But just now when he come back from prison. This new aiding and abetting of Tesha Miller. Go and laugh now, Sheep Nation. Go and laugh now. Go and laugh now. Now go say, oh, you're bad man, you're bad man. Alright. Sure. Whatever you want to call it. But when you see Barabbas get to the point where he's now so brazen, if you step out and declare about Tesha Miller one done. And on top of it, the man them him fall out with, the man them war with, not just from Spanish Town, but from Gregory Park. Me I tell you no, Sheep Nation. You know what? Let me not tell you no. We'll see how it go. Things are going to get spooky, but take say a grain of salt still, because I say I'm a look at YouTube and I really bad mind Barabbas. Bad mind him cause they take one of unicorn him or something. Who knows? The reason for the bad mind change every day. But the Jamaican people know exactly what Barabbas is about. Barabbas don't hide who him is. Barabbas don't hide the fact that he is in a bait gangs who wreak death and destruction in Harriman. The Jamaican people see this, them see the video, them see everything. But a large portion of them are even more vile than the crocodile. So they have no problem with them, I see. All them care about is tune. A matter of fact, the biggest criticism Barabbas has come in for so far is not the fact that he might go around and fund Tesha Miller and them people and even declare public this Tesha Miller one done and them thing there. That's not Jamaica's problem. Jamaica's problem with Barabbas so far is that they not get the tune them think them not get. Jamaicans are now complaining that them not get the tune them with them think them never get. Man, all I say Barabbas must go back to prison because the tune them put out, right, a feces. The tune them put out belong in the pit toilet. After Barabbas, them spend much money on promotion, all them things, the song them, as I say. Third, the song them are rubbish. Them pay how much vlogger, them pay how much page and how much guy to promote and hype, and it's flopping. That's all Jamaicans care about. We tune them there. They don't care about the gang activity and who are dead and who are buy with a gun and who are fight what. All them care about how we tune them there. That's Harriman for you. That's the most God-fearing people in the world for you. Most churches were Square Mile and all that. Love God more than everybody else, Jamaicans. That's the real problem. They're not getting a tune. They're not business about who are fun Tesha and who are going to fight war and who are dead and them sitting there. They don't have nothing to do with them as long as they're not for them pitney and family are dead. These people are vile. Your political leaders are vile. So it's going to get ugly. So if this madness with Klansman and one other going further, you know it will go already. Klansman backed by the PNP, one other backed by the JLP. Till now this are cancer versus AIDS. Pick your poison. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Blessed.